In today's video, we are continuing to tear apart our caravan and installing our servo window. You're unscrewing the trim.
From this old vent.
Yes.
We'll probably have to take the vent out completely to refurbish it, put it back up. I think it's alright vent.
How are you going to stop the water from coming in if you do that?
Well, probably not going to. Might wash it for me.
Oh.
Well, it's that water damage in here already though. So we've got all the water here.
Oh, look at the groovy vinyl that was on the floor before.
Yeah.
Straight from the 70s.
But look at all the water's coming through here.
I'm living in the 70s. Water coming in through where? Hold on, I'll come up in there.
All this.
Oh, I think we have some waterproofing to do.
Yep.
Lovely. So you're
What are you
pulling
doing
the
there?
ceiling out the vent.
And we'll put it back up with stainless. When we
What?
clean it, you can paint it, you can do whatever you want with it.
What are we cleaning or painting?
All the plastic, and this is fiberglass.
Oh, you can paint the fiberglass.
It can come out.
Lovely. But look at all the room.
Yeah, so you can't wait to see what the floor looks like when we get this vinyl up. But once I get rid of this cupboard and all this shit, all this stuff, then we'll know where to start. We have to rewire completely again.
Oh yeah, that was a given.
aftermath. Got a hole in the roof. One of the brackets broke on my rooftop vent. Some leaking over there. Bit of rot here. I don't know what the floor's like yet. Everything's out.
That's good.
Needs a good clean.
To restart with that.
Start with that wiring. You have to pull everything out, give it a hose. Anyway, more to come.
Here's the hole in the van. So now not only do we have our concession window in, we also have a sales bench. Look at that. Cool.
Oh, how about that mess, love?
Yeah, it looks like it's snowed inside of our van.
But the insulation's going in.
How exciting.
So it's
Done with the demo. And
double foil with expanded sort of foam insulations. We still got some. I only ordered 3 sheets, but it looks like I need 3 more sheets, but not much waste. Like what you see on the ground is all the waste there is. We've been very
good.
Yeah, and we got foil tape.
Yeah.
All our wiring's in.
That will be taped at the end.
Yeah. So we've got a good roof to do yet. Yeah. We're getting there. Okay, welcome to Easter Monday holiday. I haven't really gotten too far. I've cut the wiring loom out of it because it was all rotted, shorted out. But I made a little bit of progress on the inside. No mess, no progress. But so far we've got this wall completed with the window trims. All the wiring cut out, ready to be set up by the electrician. Back wall, everything insulated. A 25mm foil back foam. All the timber replaced, and the ceiling and the walls. This wall to about here is complete. I'm just finishing that bit today because I needed 5 more sheets to do the roof. Yeah, so probably the hardest thing I've had is these little joining strips. When you get lots of them together and fixed ones, yeah, they're pretty intolerant. You've got to be really on the really on the money and sort of slip them in a bit. But yeah, I think the roof will go. The roof should go pretty quick because we're just going to get the 2.4 meter panels and chop off that 200mm or whatever it is off one side, and use the edge trims so that it will help cover some of the little gaps I've got in the roof, and start one end and work our way across. This end here, there's going to be a cupboard. It's going to be like a linen cupboard I'm going to put in there. Here is going to be like a bench seat and battery storage. And then, but we were thinking about stainless steel benches. It's not too bad on this wall, but on this one it's curved. And for the Ferrofloss machine that we're going to put in there, we're going to have to sort of set it in like a U-shaped bench. So I'm thinking I'm going to end up having to make benches, and a display bench here, so that when that's opened, the people can see stock from the outside and you'll still be at the right working height. I may have to replace these little gas struts that came with the door, because the door doesn't quite go 90 degrees, and if you're a bit taller than I, you'll belt your head on the door, and I don't want that for my customers, so I'm going to have to think about replacing that, but we'll get there when we get there, I suppose. Anyway, that's a little bit update. We've got power on the outside of the van too. We're going to have 12-volt lights inside. We're going to have an inverter too. We've got 200 amp hour lithium. We've got 300 on the roof. I haven't actually put up there yet or drilled in or fixed or any of that business yet. That's where we're at for now. Anyway, I'll keep you posted.